Hi, my name is Kimberly Mann on the behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this segment, we are going to talk about communicating between the therapists and the clients, or vice versa, the clients and the therapists. So, if you're a person that's receiving a massage, I, as a therapist, would suggest to you that if it's really, really hurting you and it's really painful, you really need to communicate that to the therapist. Please, please, please do not let the whole fact of if it's a female to female or male to female or vice versa, that you just lay there. Please, please, please do not just lay there. You need to end the massage. If it's a very uncomfortable, anything, just you having bad energy or just the whole atmosphere, just everything about it, please do not lay there. Please get up and in the massage. And that goes for you therapists too. If you're feeling a little unbalanced with the client and just the whole thing overall, and you're really trying to do your best to make them feel better, and they're just really, going anything like that, please, that goes for you therapists too. Communication is a big, big part of massage. It really is. It's supposed to be a wonderful experience, and you will be able to find maybe one or two good therapists that you do like. So it is very important on both parties, the therapist and the client, that you guys communicate.